Looking for a simple and efficient way to extract pure, natural oils? At Lakshmi Industrial Equipments, we manufacture high-quality oil extraction machines with 6 motor options, from 1 horsepower to 10 horsepower, to suit all your needs. Our machines extract coconut oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil, sesame oil, flaxseed oil, and more, all with a quick and easy process. Here's how it works. Step 1. Turn on the machine. The motor spins the barrel inside. Step 2. Add crushed coconut into the funnel. The machine crushes and extracts the oil. Step 3. Collect pure oil from the filter tray. Waste is automatically separated. That's it. A simple 3-step process. Anyone can use it. Visit for more details. Lakshmi Industrial Equipments, extracting purity effortlessly.